Fire brick liner installation instructions for the DVCT50 fireplace. Install the right and left front liner. Place liner rear bottom on the back of the firebox and hold with one hand. Place liner side right against the right firebox wall and liner rear bottom and push back to hold into place. Place the liner rear top on top of liner rear bottom and rest against right side of the firebox and liner side right. Place liner side left against the left firebox wall and liner rear bottom and push back to hold it into place. Secure the liner bracket with 4 screws. Place the liner top pieces so that they rest on the liner rear top